What is a scene heading and how do you write one? A scene heading is the very first line of a scene in your screenplay. It tells the reader three things: whether the scene is inside or outside, where it takes place, and what time of day it is. Scene headings are always written in all caps and follow a very simple format. It starts with int or x plus location plus time of day. For example, it could be written like int.coffeeshop-day or x.park-night. You could also have int./x.car-moving-day. That part might have been a lot of words for you, but basically int means it is interior. That means it's inside. And ext means exterior, which is outside. If it says both, like a car scene, then you can write int/ext. So for the time of day, most screenwriters just use day or night. You can also use something like later, dawn, or continuous if timing matters for the story. Every new location or time of day gets its own scene heading. So for example, if your scene moves from the kitchen to the backyard, then that's a new scene heading. A few quick mistakes to avoid. Don't write inside a room. Write int.room. Don't describe the setting in the heading. Save that for the action lines. And don't combine multiple places in one heading. That's all a scene heading is. A simple way to tell us where and when each scene happens. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.